It's as much as possible above ground and regulate them as intelligently as we can to minimize both the harms of drugs and the harms of prohibitionist policies. Now, with marijuana, that obviously means legally regulating and taxing it like alcohol. The benefits of doing so are enormous, the risks minimal. Will more people use marijuana? Maybe. But it's not going to be young people, because it's not going to be legalized for them. And quite frankly, they already have the best access to marijuana, right? I think it's going to be older people. It's going to be people in their 40s and 60s and 80s, you know, who find they prefer a little marijuana to that drink in the evening or the sleeping pill, or that it helps with their arthritis or diabetes, or maybe helps spice up a long-term marriage. And that just might be a net public health benefit. As for the
Spice up. Spice up. Spice up.